Hello everyone, and a special hello to all my fellow YouTube creators, because I'm really excited to introduce to you a new feature added by YouTube which will help us create more targeted content based on the searches performed all over YouTube and searches performed by your content viewers or your audience. Before I get into more details, let me quickly read out to you what the YouTube help page has to say about this new feature. And I quote, "You can use the research tab in YouTube Analytics to explore what your audience and viewers across YouTube are searching. This can help you discover content gaps and is a starting point for research to create new videos that viewers are interested in." Unquote. So let me show you exactly what I mean, first through some screenshots that I took for you, and then live on the YouTube Studio dashboard page. And now let's have a quick look at the YouTube Studio dashboard homepage. I monitor my YouTube channel practically every day, and it's only today, 26th of April 2022, that I found this new research tab on my analytics page. So when you open your Studio dashboard, and if you are there for the first time after this research tool has been added to your analytics, you should see this blue pop-up which reads, "Explore what viewers are searching for. Try the new feature in the Analytics Research tab to review what viewers on your channel and across YouTube are searching for." Click Analytics from the menu, and that's where they have added the new Research tab. Once you click the Research tab, you get the options to view three subheadings: Search across YouTube, the second one Your Viewers Searches, and the third, the Saved Searches tab. Now, one great thing about this tool is that it's been made available to all YouTube contributors, no matter what the size of your channel or the number of your subscribers. I can tell you this because right now my channel is very small, as I just started posting regular content only a few weeks ago. Having said that, I leave you now to explore the new data and make sure to take advantage in creating your next videos based on this information, especially the content gap information.